Hi, I'm Jessica, Pottery Barn's outdoor furniture expert, and today I'm here to show you how to refurnish your outdoor furniture. Today I'm going to be refinishing a side table from our best-selling Chatham collection. This is using our custom Chatham stain from Sherwin-Williams. We partner with Sherwin-Williams to create these custom stains for our top outdoor wood collections so you can get the perfect match. The things that you'll need for this project are 120 grit sandpaper, damp rags, and a 2 to 3 inch white bristle brush. And as with all DIY projects, we recommend using personal protective wear such as goggles, rubber gloves, and a utility apron to protect your clothes from dirt and paint spatter. Step 1, lightly sand the surface with 120 grit sandpaper. Once you've done the entire surface, simply take a damp rag and wipe the surface clean. Next, you're going to want to make sure that your stain is properly stirred. Using a 2 to 3 inch brush, apply the stain using long, overlapping brush strokes. This will prevent streaking. Most furniture will need at least 2 coats of stain, and you'll need at least 2 hours in between each coat to let it properly dry. And the last step is to properly clean your brushes with dish soap before you put it away. And there you have it, outdoor furniture that looks as good as new and is ready for some summer fun. For more tips and ideas, go to potterybarn.com.